We are back with another Anzu Robotics unboxing video. In our last video, we unboxed the Anzu Raptor thermal drone, and today we had the standard Anzu Raptor. So what do you get when you purchase the Anzu Raptor drone? Let's take a look inside. When you receive your shipment, after you place your order on floridadronesupply.com, you will receive the Anzu hard case, which contains your new drone and accessories. Starting out on the case, this is a very well-designed and secure case, which makes it easy to travel with and to keep your drone safe and secure. The case has enough room to hold the Anzu accessories, which include the optional RTK module, loudspeaker, extra batteries, extra chargers, and there's also room in the compartment to store extra props, memory cards, cables, and more. Inside the case, we have the standard kit from Anzu. We're going to start out here with the Anzu RC Smart Remote with the built-in screen. We also have the charging station, cables, propellers, and a spare set of propellers. The highlight of the unboxing is the Anzu Raptor drone. On the Raptor, we have the gimbal cover pre-installed to protect the camera payload. Also on the drone, we have one battery, which is also pre-installed, and you also get a 64 gig micro SD card. The propellers do not come pre-installed on the drone, but you can install these in about 30 seconds. So make sure you check out our propeller installation video in the link below to learn how to safely and securely install your propellers. That's it for today's Anzu Robotics unboxing. We hope you enjoyed it. Follow us for more videos on the Raptor series drones from Anzu Robotics. You can purchase the entire Anzu product lineup in the link below, and if you have any questions, please give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.